on 1037. Arkansas BIC70M, 70 Mary. It's a black Tesla. We're in Van Buren, trying to get back to the Midland Bridge, looks like. Yeah, we're going south on Midland, headed back towards Fort Smith. South on 59. TVI. Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Put your hands up before I fucking shoot you. We're on South 3rd, just south of 59. Both of you leave your hands up. Alright, I got a passenger and driver. Both cooperative. You can hit me Van Buren here. Get him out of the car. Turn the car off. Turn it off. Okay, climb out the window. Climb out the window. Yep. Roll it down and climb out.
I promise you it's not going out.
All right, just stay right there. Put your hands back up. We'll call the passenger out first. Alright. Passenger, take your seatbelt off. Step out with your hands up. Come over here. Turn around.
Walk backwards.
Walk back.
Alright. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking right here. Get on your knees. On your knees. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Get on your knees.
Alright, crawl out that passenger side. Yeah. You're the only one left in that car, right? Okay. Crawl out that passenger side. You know, move over there. Turn around, face that way. Put your hands on your back.
How are y'all, 10-15? Hands up. Hands up.
You have anything illegal on you?
Not on me.
Not on you? Anything illegal in that car? Alright, come over here.
Come and see.
Can you hold him right here for me? I hadn't searched him yet.